Here's an ankle lock option from the 50-50. So from the 50-50 position, we can easily access the far leg. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at a technique called the Panza lock from an athlete called Luis Panza. So as we've got the straight ankle, what we're going to proceed to do is we're going to take our right arm and slide it forward onto the shin of our opponent. Now that we've created some space between our ribs and our right arm, we take our left hand and we start feeding it through behind. As we reach across and we touch the Achilles tendon here, we let go of our right hand and we feed it through, placing it underneath this hand and then putting our fist on the bend of our right arm. Now from here, we take this fist and we punch up to the ceiling and we're creating pressure on the shin bone instead of the Achilles. So we're going to proceed to punch up, and then that creates some pressure, and then we'll get the submission there.